right, so you've heard me talk before about adhered stone having similar issues as stucco wall assemblies. I've mentioned that adhered stone is the exact same assembly as hard coat stucco, and this is a perfect opportunity to show how that's the case. What we're looking at is a stone surface. If we can look at the assembly inside of this wall, you're going to see a metal lath and then stucco. Once that stucco sits up, then we've got the stones pasted to the front of that. Now behind that whole assembly is OSB. Now the issue with stucco is not necessarily the stucco, it's the installation and the flashing details. Now the flashing details are wrong in several different areas here. Here's what's cool about this situation. We can see the back of it. We can see the back of that wall where all of the flashing is done wrong. You can see all of the damage. If we look straight through there, out of the way, this is our Tyvek. That's behind the stucco assembly. There's our metal lath, there's our stucco, and then the stone is on the face of that. None of this is flashed correctly. There are actually several details that are wrong with this, but our OSB is completely deteriorated. You just pick that right out. So I've mentioned before, adhered stone is stucco. Perfect example of that. You can have the same exact issues with adhered stone as you can stucco. They are great products, but we have to install the flashings, the detailings, the sealants. That's all got to be installed correctly. If it lets water behind that assembly, this is what you end up with.